Hi guys, it's Queen TT and today's video is going to be a mukbang. I guess a mukbang in the car. So yeah. I ain't got no sink in here, so we just got hand sanitizer. Bath and Body Works. Go get you some. It smells so good. But I have Wendy's. I got me a 4 for $4. And I've really been interested in trying their Frosty. So yeah, I'm gonna try some of that. I guess y'all will get my raw opinion on it. Alright. I don't really know where to set my food at so y'all can see it, but I forgot to tell them no dang on tomatoes. I don't even know where to put this little thing. Go. Just throw it on the side. Just throw it on the side. Then I gotta wipe the tomato juice off. Yikes, we is off to a bad start, y'all. But this is my burger. And now I'm just putting the fries on it. Now I always usually get like Wendy's biggie bags, but I've never had their strawberry frosty because I don't know, I got mixed emotions about it because it's like, why would y'all get rid of vanilla? It's like if all the ice cream companies just got rid of like vanilla. Why? What's the purpose? Why? But hey, it is what it is, I guess. Who knows? I might end up liking it. Somebody told me that the vanilla one is basically strawberry, but like with strawberry with like, I mean vanilla with strawberry syrup. That's what I was trying to say. I don't know how I just got the hiccups that quick, but we gonna make it work. Aside from the biggie bag, oops, excuse me. I usually get baconator combos, but today was a biggie bag type of day. So that's what I got. So the fries, they're not really hot. They're like warm, but they still taste good. So you can't really, I'm talking about you can't really, I can't really trip too much, but I hate how when I start filming, I get hiccups. It's not fair. This piece of lettuce is crunchy. Got my chicken nuggets. Ooh, don't fall, baby. So with the biggie bag, if y'all like never got this before, it consists of a burger, fries, and a beverage, and burger, fries, a beverage, a burger, and then you get, you know, your sauce. So before I get into my nuggets, let's try this strawberry frosty. I hate that they didn't get me like a spoon. I mean, not a spoon, because I got one in my hand, obviously. But I hate how they didn't give me a straw. Because look how, I don't know if y'all can see that. Like, you see how watery this is? Let me drink it down some. So you could tell it's watery. Like, I shouldn't be able to drink my frosty now. It don't taste that bad, y'all. It don't taste that bad. Okay, there we go. So it's more thicker, like, on the inside than it is on the outside. The outside is kind of like a watery texture. See, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's pretty good. Now I know for a fact I don't like the strawberry. Well, if they ever make a chocolate and strawberry frosty, they can call it a strawberry. But anyways, I don't like the chocolate frosties. Alright. I do want to try to finish my little food, so let me go ahead and open up my barbecue sauce. Let me know down in the comments below, like, what do you guys like to get from Wendy's? Have you ever had the biggie bag or the $5? I'm talking about the $5 biggie bag or the 4 for $4. Or do you usually get something else? Cause I heard that Wendy's, they sell chicken sandwiches, and I think they have a grilled one now, but I never had a Wendy's chicken sandwich. I always had their burgers, or maybe nuggets or something. The last fry. You don't know hurt until you eat your last fry, man. Let me stop. That just sounded so, I don't even know. But it's the truth though. finished up my food. Now it's time to finish this Frosty. Now, y'all, I didn't know that this Frosty was gonna be this small. Right. And this is my first time getting a Frosty with my biggie bag. I usually get the strawberry lemonade. So yeah, this was different. Would I do it again? Nah, because I like my strawberry lemonade, but this is okay too. Also, y'all, I forgot what I was gonna say. Alright, I'm finna just drink this. This was pretty good. So thanks for watching my mukbang video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below, like, if y'all like these. Like, do y'all like seeing me eat in the car, or do you prefer for me to be just eating at my house in my room or something? But yeah, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.